So we were doing this one, I believe, right? The boom, 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 boom. Okay, great. Which means we'll do an underhand 4-pedal anti-spin as a starting point. And then for this one, we'll stall in the front, big swing, anti-spin. Stall, big swing, anti-spin. So you're gonna do with your left hand now what you did with your right hand last time. Yes, stall to the front, then swing, not the swing, let the arm come down and swing, the long arm thing. Swing, nope, you're sliding instead of swinging. So it's anti-spin, swing, anti-spin, let it swing. Yes, there it is. And then anti-spin and swing. And anti-spin and swing. Very good, very good. Yep, you're doing it. You had it. Okay. I think the right hand is doing overhand, not underhand. But if we were just doing the one where the left hand was underhand, then the right hand would be overhand. And so it'll stall in the back and swing. Okay, great. Yup, yes, 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 yes. So if we put that together, yes, it would be left under, right over, boom, boom, boom. Okay, yes, stall in the back, swing across. Okay, so let's do like 4 of those, and then on the 4th one, just pendulum across the bottom so that you switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, then pendulum across the bottom. 1, 2, and then go back the other way. Just so we can make sure we can go the both ways. So when you get to the 4th one, pendulum, then prane break. Then pendulum, plane break. Although I think I did extra on that one. So I guess you could use that as your transition instead of the pendulum if you wanted to, where you do, like, let's say 2 of these, and then 1, 2 of your linear extension.